my friends. I welcome all of you back to my Southern Kitchen and the 4th episode of Ellen's ChristKwan Series. Today, I've got a treat for y'all. I'm going to share with all of y'all a recipe using eggnog. How does eggnog ice cream sound? Oh yes, that's right, sugar. Eggnog ice cream. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious, and the best part, no ice cream machine required. This is a no churn recipe. Everybody's gonna love and enjoy this, and this screams the holiday season. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And for more Christmas treats, check out my Christmas treats recipes playlist and my previous video, Old School 7-Up Pound Cake. I'll post a link to those down below in the description box. So grab your loaf pan, your sweetened condensed milk, and your eggnog sugar, because we're about to make some eggnog ice cream magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go! Alrighty, my friends, in my stand mixer with my chilled bowl and chilled whip attachment, we're going to add in 2 cups of cold, heavy whipping cream. And we're going to whip this on high speed until it reaches stiff white peaks. Alrighty, my friends, this is what our whipped cream look like. Stiff and thick. Beautiful white clouds. That looks great. Now it's time to add in our other ingredients. To our whipped cream, we're going to add in 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Love this stuff. Alrighty, now we're going to add in our spices. I have a teaspoon of ground cinnamon and 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground nutmeg. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, that's a capful. A 1/2 teaspoon of pure rum extract. Or you can add in a teaspoon if you like. And last but not least, the star of the show, the eggnog. Going to add in 2 cups. You can use homemade or store-bought. If using store-bought, use a good quality brand. And I have a recipe for a homemade eggnog. I'll post the link to that down below in the description box. And we're going to gently fold this in until it's well blended. Oh, it smells so good. Smells like Christmas. Love the smell of eggnog and cinnamon and nutmeg. And be careful not to overfold. Alrighty, my friends, I am through folding everything. Look how nice and smooth that is. Perfect. Now we're ready to pour it into our loaf pan. And my loaf pan is nice and chilled. So now we're going to cover it with plastic wrap. Now we're going to place it in the freezer. If you like your ice cream more of a soft serve, let it sit 4 to 6 hours. But if you like yours firm, let it sit overnight. I'm going to let mine sit overnight. Alrighty, I'll see you tomorrow. Alright, my friends, it's the next day and our ice cream is nice and firm. Perfect. There's one more thing we got to add to it. We're going to sprinkle on some ground cinnamon. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. No churn eggnog ice cream. Doesn't that look good? So now I'm about to fix me up a bowl and then we'll give it a taste. All right, my friends, I fixed me up a bowl and I garnish it with some cinnamon sticks and a little bit more ground cinnamon right on top. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. It's so creamy and decadent. And I can taste the eggnog and the spices and a little hint of rum. If y'all love eggnog, y'all gonna love this ice cream. An amazing holiday treat. This is phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Eggnog Ice Cream Licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media. Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love, Merry Christmas, and Happy Holidays.